To rank higher in search results, your website's on-page SEO is crucial. Here are the 15 must-have elements. Prioritize EAT, emphasize experience, expertise, authority, and trust in your content. Use keywords strategically. Focus on both primary and semantic keywords to capture user intent. Keep content readable. Short sentences, subheadings, and bullet points keep readers engaged. Regularly update content. Freshness matters in SEO, so keep your stats and references current. Optimize image alt text. Descriptive alt text boosts accessibility and image search visibility. Add visuals. High-quality images and videos improve engagement and retention. Structure SEO writing for users. Make content scannable and place keywords naturally. Perfect title tags. Use primary keywords and make titles catchy. Write compelling meta descriptions. Summarize content and include keywords to increase clicks. Link internally. Guide users to related content for a richer experience. Use external links. Link to trusted sources to build credibility. Simplify URL structure. Keep URLs short and include keywords. Increase site speed. Faster sites improve user experience and rankings. Make design responsive. Mobile-friendly sites rank better, especially for local SEO. Geotag for local SEO. Location keywords and schema markups help capture local traffic. Implement these strategies to drive more traffic, build credibility, and stand out in the competitive digital world.